Dear friends and nature enthusiasts, we are very excited to invite you to participate in the marathon, men's marathon, Run for Nongin, and another marathon for men as well as women, that is Trash Collection Marathon. These two events are specially organized with a message for spreading awareness and conservation of our unique species which is found only in Manipur, that is our state bird Nongin and Sirui lily. The first one, which is men's marathon, it will start from UBC Phungreitan and it will end at Siroi village gate. The second event, that is the trash collection marathon, that will be participated both by men and women. This will also start from UBC Phungreitan and it will go up to Forest Gate near Ukhrul Central Jail, and the participants will come back again at Baksi ground. So during their marathon, during their run, they have to collect waste material, that is plastic waste, non-biodegradable, and the participants who collected the maximum amount of such waste, they will be the winners. This second event is a part of the campaign Say No to One-Time Use Plastic. Both these two events are organized jointly by Ukhrul Forest Division, Manipur Forest Department, Manipur Olympics Association and Seven Sisters. Friends, come join us in this run for conserving our beautiful Siroi lily and Nongin. Your participation will not only create awareness but also give message to the entire people of the state as well as the nation that it is our shared responsibility. Your participation will not only give awareness to the people but also it will help in the conservation of these species and their habitats as well. The most exciting part of these two events is that we have exciting cash prizes. The first prize is 30,000, then we have cash prizes for second, third, then consolation prizes as well. Then we have free t-shirts which has been printed specially for this event. Then we have arranged refreshment for all the participants as well. So thank you guys. I again appeal from on behalf of all the organizing committee for mass participation in these two events and to spread awareness about the conservation of these two species and their habitats as well. Thank you.